Hello and welcome. This e-learning will demonstrate how to arrive a pre-registered research encounter using the newly modified Research Pre-Reg Registration Conversation. Watch and learn. When there is an appointment for research encounters that have radiology tests and/or procedures, you can locate them in the radiology scheduling system known as Centricity. The Centricity icon appears on the left of this screen. If the icon does not appear on your desktop, then you must use the following URL link to open Centricity: http://uhmc-ris/web/default.ASP. The research encounters must be arrived using the Research Pre-Reg Registration Conversation. These encounters do not appear on the Today's Expected Arrivals work list. Here, we will select Research Pre-Reg Registration Conversation. The Person Search window now appears. For this e-learning, we will search by the patient's date of birth. In some cases, research patient encounters are stored on a different medical record number under a study name. As their actual date of birth is not used on these study medical record numbers, the suggested search criteria should be followed. Last name, PI, which stands for Principal Investigator, followed with the physician's name. Now we will enter October 2nd, 1981. Next, we will click the Search button. All of the patients with the date of birth entered now appear. Now we will scroll down. Here, we'll select the desired patient. All of the patient's encounters now appear. Ensure the correct encounter is selected. In cases where there is not an existing encounter related to the patient's visit, select Add Encounter. This will generate a new encounter for the patient. Here, we'll select the Pre-Outpatient Research Encounter. After selecting the desired encounter, next we'll click the OK button. Upon arriving the encounter, every tab must be verified, and the asterisk located on the Guarantor tab and the Insurance Primary tab is the indicator. The encounter cannot be completed until all tabs have been selected. The error located on the left of the screen will appear when attempting to complete an encounter without clicking 3 mandatory tabs. It states, "Required tab not populated. Click OK to set focus to the tab." In order to arrive the patient type must be changed from pre-outpatient to research. Then the estimated arrive date and the estimated arrive time fields will change to registration date and registration time, which will auto-populate with the current date and time. Here we'll select the drop-down. Next, we'll select Research. The registration date, registration time, and the Personnel ID fields now have auto-populated. Now we'll select the Guarantor tab. Always ensure the correct Principal Investigator is selected, including that the SBUH internal zip is located in the address field. Next, we'll select the Insurance Primary tab. Always ensure that the Insurance Primary tab is completed correctly. Here, we'll click the Complete button. The Document Selection dialog box now appears. This will allow the printing of documents by clicking the OK button. Lastly, we'll click the OK button. A special thank you from the Patient Access Department. See you at the next lesson.